Hump Day, Bridge Street Labs. It's Wednesday. Wanted to dive into a few topics here, look at a few charts. Got a lot going on in the markets. Busy week, busy narratives, whether it's Operation Choke Point, we're talking about the inflow of capital to the crypto market being cut off. Things to look at that, whether we're looking at total 2 or total 3, or even Bitcoin dominance. You know, the real possibility of 50 basis point hike coming very soon, unless we can do something about the inflation numbers. Last time we were at 6.4. If we could get closer to 6, I think that might make a real difference. You know, as we speak right now, we have Bitcoin fighting to hold that 22K level. Ether, you know, fighting to hold the 1550. We've got a strong Dixie rally. What that means for the dollar, obviously. You know, and the whole inverted yield curve. You know, we have a 1-year treasury bond giving you 5% yield, and a 10-year for 3%. So that's what you call inverted. What that does for other risk assets where, you know, maybe DeFi or something where you traditionally be taking a risk, chasing those yields, where you can get it more in a safer return right now. What that means. We have Powell speaking today. He probably already spoke by the time this video is out. Tomorrow we have jobless claim numbers, and we'll see what happens then. So I just want to talk about asset protection, whether that be your portfolio, something like a house, your car, your family, whatever that may be. Sometimes it's not always about winning the trade or chasing that profit, as it is more important about protecting your capital. So let's get into it. Fired up some coffee, ready to get going. Tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. EST. Love to have some of y'all join me. I'm going to be doing another trading session. Got rid of the birds. Now back to using fundamentals combined with technical analysis to keep us on the winning side of the trade, but more importantly, protect our assets on our portfolio. Looking at market structure here, you can see Bitcoin, where we lost this important level, this 22,282 or 64 level, where we broke structure really, and we are now trading below it. We're fighting heavy resistance above. On lower time frames, I'll talk about, I would expect possibly a little bump or positive price action today, but overall for the week or, you know, next 2 weeks macro, I'm looking probably for more pain. I'd be interested in adding to any position down here below in this discount region where, you know, this major low was set back here in mid-February. This is anywhere below 21,700, you know, down here 21,400 is where I'd really be interested, or 21.5. Looking at Ethereum, same thing, fighting that 1550, trying to hold that as support. As you can see, we're trading heavily under resistance right now. These on lower time frames, these were some fractals and trend lines I was looking at. We broke through them, but obviously nothing more than a little bit of a fake out. Now let's look at total 2. Total 2, right, is our crypto market cap minus Bitcoin. You know, up here in this upper, in above 600, 613, 617, this was major resistance we were fighting. Major area of interest of trading, right, was this level here between 558 to 570. We are now, we've lost that. We're no longer trading in that range. We're trading below it. Our next level of support is down here in the 525 area. So keeping an eye on market caps like total 2 and total 3. This is using the Bridge Street Labs support and resistance indicator. Total 3 is going to be our total crypto market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see here, this is where you're starting to see some of the real pain or some of the things talked about like Operation Choke Point, when we're talking about you know, the on-ramps for investment into crypto or capital in crypto being smothered almost. Anyways, you can see here we're trading under lots of resistance, and this is where you can really see either money flowing out or money not flowing in. These are things to keep your eyes on. Again, here in the Dixie here, which is the dollar strength index, this is where you can see we broke structure here at 105, broke out, shot up to 106, got rejected, currently trading in between. I would expect probably a continuation on the Dixie here in the dollar strength. to maybe break through 106 and make a move even higher.